How to delete your WhatsApp channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete your channels on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to delete the channels you have created on WhatsApp, open up WhatsApp application. Once you open the WhatsApp app, simply go to the updates tab from the bottom left of the screen. From here you can see different channels that you've created, so if you'd like to delete a particular channel, make sure to select that. Once you've done that, what you want to do is simply click on the channel name from the very top. Once you click the channel name from the very top, if you scroll down, right here you'll be able to find the option called delete channel. So click on the delete channel option. It will ask you for a confirmation, so just make sure to tap the delete option and go ahead and also make sure to enter your country code and phone number. After that, when you click the delete option, your channel will get successfully deleted. This way you can delete your channels on WhatsApp. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.